Get ready out here, boy.
Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter
3. Jack leaves her underneath the tree, and lets her wait. And Jack, oh shit, I'm in the wrong one.
Yeah, I think that's exactly. Yeah, you think that third person take. All right, take 2.
Sorry about that.
That's not a sound.
This is Jack. Yes, Jack. Joe, you do know how much I love you. Like, yes, I do. Well, I do know. Jack, I love you so much that every time I go up that hill, I hope I never fall, except for falling in love with you. Oh, Jack, kiss me. Jack, I'll be back. I wonder if she really does love me, but I'm very suspicious of her because I found gingerbread crumbs on her bed last night, and I'm going back. I'm going back now when I get the water and ask her if she's been cheating on me. Why the hell do we have to be on the hill anyway? Now that I got the water, I'm gonna go back down and ask her if she can cheat. Oh well, like, guess what? She walks down. God damn, Shane. I tangled up on my fucking damn foot. Like, oh shit. Smashed my arm. Oh. And, like, oh, Jack, are you okay? No, did you write that?
This is real life. This is the best.
No, Jack, no. What kind of question is that? Don't lie to me. I know. I found gingerbread crumbs. Like, Jack, what are you saying? Jill, please answer me. Like, okay, yes, I did. Did you like it? Did you like it when you swallowed his cream? Yes, I did. Oh, bitch.
We the best. Who? We the best.
I was not in the room when that was happening.
DJ Cali, we over here. We the best.
All right. Who's going next?
I let her go next.
Nah, it's Mirrors 2. You the second.
Alright, I got a simple. This is like the third person, right?
Yeah.
Right, you can get third person or first
We have to
person.
balance.
Okay, so we gotta balance because he did the first person, so I gotta do the third person. Jack walks faster and he leaves Jill behind. He sweats.